How's it going, guys? I just recently found this old camera at my parents' house. It's a Nikon cool pic. I don't know. We bought it like, I think 5 years ago. So instead of recording with my iPhone, I'm gonna record with this thing. So hopefully I get used to it. I'm not very good at recording myself, but let's give it a try. So last video I showed you guys how my truck looked with the Ready Lift leveling kit, and then I told you I was gonna get it lifted. Well, it's been lifted for probably about a month, but it's been having issues since the shop didn't really tighten their stuff 100%. So I had to take it to another shop and get it fixed, but it's all fixed now. I'm loving the ride quality on it, so I'll show you guys. So as you can see, it's sitting pretty nice. It's a little bit blurry. I have to use another camera. But currently it's at a 6-inch lift. It's got a pretty nice gap. The goal for the 6-inch lift is that I'm gonna get 24 by 12s, probably drop star wheels or TIS wheels, not sure yet, and then I'm gonna put 37s on it, probably 12 what is it, I don't want to do stretch. I'm gonna have meat on there so I don't, if I hit something, because I sometimes use this truck for work. So we'll see. I'm gonna save with this quarantine thing. I haven't been working this month, or these past 2 weeks, sort of. But see, got the kit with the radius arms. Looks nice. Dino, vente. Dino, come here. Vente. His name's Tino. Anyways, back to this. And then I also did the dual steering stabilizer down here. Look at that. Along with the stealth. I didn't know these trucks actually already had one from factory. It's right there. It's got one up there. So technically I have 3 right now. I'm gonna get that one replaced later on, just so I can have a better shock on there. And then in the back, they just added, I think, a bigger block and a leaf spring, or just a block. I don't remember. You guys can see it right here. There you go. Right now my wheels stick out just a little bit. Not enough though. See, that's pretty much how it looks. What do you guys think? Should I have gone taller? Smaller? Different kit? What are you guys' thoughts? Comment below. 3-inch straight pipe on this. Sounds really nice. But yeah, that's my F350. It's 2017. Dino, vente. Come here. Keeps trying to run away. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll be posting more videos probably almost every day till this quarantine is over, because I have nothing better to do. I actually painted my house last weekend and I finished doing the trim earlier today. Just kind of been doing it here and there, but it looks way better than what it was. It was an old ugly green color. Not a big fan of the siding, but it is what it has now, so who knows, I might change it later, might sell it, might rent it, I don't know, not quite sure yet. And here's my Ram. I'll be posting videos on this too once I start building it. Right now it's just lowered. I have the SRT wheels for it, but it's not the season yet. I'm gonna wait till there's more sun. We'll see. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.